Hi, welcome to all. In this video, I will cover how to print elements from the vector class. That means we are getting the elements from the vector class. In the previous video, I given how to create the vector object and how to add the elements and how to get the first element, last element by using first element method, last element method, as well as I used trim to size method as well as capacity and size methods. But in this video, I will cover how to get the elements from the vector class. Before going to that, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification. To get the elements from the vector, there are three different techniques are available. First thing is I am using for loop. In this technique, I am using vector class size method, get method as well as element yet method. And come to the second technique is I am using elements method which is returning enumeration interface, and third technique is iterator method that which it returns iterator object. Now let's start the coding. For that I take an Eclipse IDE. In the Eclipse IDE, choose the project from Package Explorer. In that one, I have taken Java Code 2. Now create a class. The class name is I am giving in the class window, new class window, that is vector demo 2. Now press the finish button. In this one, we have to write the main method. To write the main method in Eclipse IDE, simply give the main and control space. The IDE will automatically insert main method for us. Yes. Now let's import a package, that is import java.util package. After that, I am creating the object for the vector class, that is vector, and vector is a generic type, so we have to specify the type of the object what you are going to storing. Now I am storing string object, so use v equals to new vector. Let's add the element, that is by using v dot add of the string value, that is java se. First element I have taken. Next one v dot add of java ee. Third element v dot add of java me. Next v dot add of html. Next v dot add of xml. Like that I added 5 elements. Now I want to print all the elements by using vector size method, that is called sysout control space to print the system.out.println. In this one I am using printing elements by using for loop. Yes. Now start the for loop. For int I equals to 0, because vectors index elements index starts from 0. Next I less than size, this is the method. Next I plus plus. Now try to print by using system.out.println v dot element yet method. Here give the index. Now run the code. Index is I. Now run it. Control F11. In the console window, we can get the results. Here is the console. Try to run this. Here we are getting error, that is v dot size. Yes. Now again run this. Yes. We printed the 5 elements from the vector by using element yet method. Instead of that, you can also use the another method, that is sys out v dot get element. Here give the index, that is I. Now run the code. Yes, here also we got the output. Now let's go to print the elements by using elements method. Yes, I am using out.println, that is printing elements using elements method, that is use enumeration, type is string, that is enu equals to v dot elements method. Yes. Now to get the elements from the enumeration, we have to use while loop. While enu dot has more elements, it returns a boolean expression. If it is having the elements, it returns true, or otherwise it will print the returns false. Now I am using sys out, that is enu dot next element. It is used to get the next element from the enumeration. This is the second technique. Try to run the code. Is printing elements using elements method from the vector. This is the second technique. Now come to the third technique, is sys out elements from vector using iterator method. Yes. Now here use iterator, and type is string. Now use it equals to v dot iterator method. Now I am getting the elements from the iterator. Here also I am using while loop. While it dot has next method, it also returns a boolean expression, and it returns true if it is contains the elements, or otherwise it returns false. Now to get the element from the iterator, there is a method called it dot next method, which is used to get the element from the iterator. Now this is the third technique to get the elements from the vector. Try to run this one. Yes, this is the third technique. So this in this session I given you how to print the elements from the vector by using three techniques. First technique is by using for loop. In that I used size method as well as element yet method and get method. In the second technique, I used the elements method from the vector, which is returning enumeration object. In this enumeration object, we have has more elements method. It returns a boolean expression. Next one, next element method to get the next element of the enumeration. And third technique is I called iterator method from the vector, which is returning iterator interface. In that we have the two methods, has next as well as next method. These three techniques will get or used to get the elements from the vector. I hope you enjoyed the code. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications.